summer, with a grant from the Minnesota Aquatic Invasive Species Research Center, my colleagues and I have been conducting surveys of recreationists, so like boaters, people who are fishing, people swimming, that type of thing, at various lakes across the state of Minnesota that have different levels of invasive species infestation. So our goal is to look at how people value and use lakes and water resources, how they think about invasive species, what kind of things that they care about, and whether they're willing to pay any additional fees or passes or access amounts in order to use lakes, so that that money can then be used for aquatic invasive species management, eradication, and prevention. The primary step was just choosing the lakes, which was important because one of our goals was to see if there was a difference in opinion between people who are visiting infested lakes versus uninfested lakes. So we're focusing on starry stonewort, which is a microalgae here at Coronis, and also zebra mussels, which are at Gull Lake. We're also sending out a mail survey to residents of Minnesota, so please answer it if you get it. And that'll ask a number of socioeconomic questions, as well as how people feel about invasive species, what they're willing to pay for invasive species management. So we're hoping that this study will really help Minnesotans, because it'll help policymakers understand what the people who are actually using lakes and the people who actually live in Minnesota, what they care about as it relates to invasive species. We've been very pleased. People have been very happy to see us, very happy to interact. This is my first field work in the state of Minnesota, and I'm very happy that I've been here to do it. It's been a very pleasant experience all around.